Hello guys, thank you for joining me on my channel, Michael Martins FX for MGM Consult UK Limited. Thank you for all of you that have taken time this year to watch our educational content. On this channel, we discuss Forex trading, obviously personal finances, and property investments. Essentially, I want to show you the roadmap, how I'll transition from being a forex trader to a property investor with a multi-million property in portfolios. I want to say to you, in the times and seasons that we live in, you must have a multiple streams of income, because that is the key to be able to withstand the financial challenges in the times and seasons that we live in. So thank you very much again for tuning in. On the previous course, we talked about what is forex. Now, let me give you a bit of background on what this channel is all about, what we're going to be doing for the next couple of months. Now, we are going to be doing A to Z series Forex trading, okay? And I want to encourage you, if you have not seen the previous video where we talked about what is Forex itself, you want to go back and watch that video, because that video is going to give you a good transition into this topic that we're going to be talking about today, right? So this is very, very important, because today we're going to be talking about a very interesting topic. And I want to encourage you, don't think that Forex, to learn how to trade, is just for you to jump on a chart and start doing analysis. You need to have the basic understanding of this subject. When you have the basic understanding of this subject, then you become what we call a subject matter expert. And it goes beyond just you saying you know how to analyze, buy and sell. Anybody can click and say, I want to buy. Do you understand? But not everybody is profitable. The reality is that only 2% of people who are into Forex trading are profitable. A lot of people will come, they will say, oh, I'm a profitable Forex trader, I'm a Forex trader. But however, only few can confidently say to you they are profitable. You know why? Because they master the heart of Forex. To master or mastering the heart of Forex is go beyond you saying, oh, you know the red candle, you know the green candle, you know when they say buy and when they say sell. You have to have the basic understanding. And that's how I'm going to be providing this full course content, A to Z or Forex basic to pro on this channel. So you want to go back and watch the first video where we talked about what is Forex. Because today we're going to be talking about a very interesting topic, which is why is Forex trading or Forex so popular? And subsequently, we're going to be talking about why you should be trading Forex, especially as you transition into new months and years ahead. You want to have this basic understanding. So why is Forex so popular? And why should you be trading? And then we're going to be looking at various market sessions in the Forex trading. Your understanding of various market sessions, guys, will enable you to be able to know how to be able to plan your schedule. If you're a 9 to 5, you want to have an understanding of the market sessions so that you'll be able to know what market are you going to be trading, what time are you going to wake up in the morning before you go to work. There are many people, guys, that are doing their 9 to 5, and yes, they are still profitable in Forex. You see, remember what I said earlier on. The key to the financial challenges that we have in the times that we live in, you can see the cost of living over the roof. Anywhere you go to the US, you come to the UK, you go to Africa, you have high cost of living everywhere. So, and the key to be able to withstand it is having a multiple streams of income. So if you have 9 to 5, nothing stops you guys from learning how to trade. But the point is this, or the issue is this. To learn how to trade as a 9 to 5 is more tricky when you make Forex trading your full-time job or your full-time business, whichever the case may be. Okay. Now, if you are 9 to 5, it's important for you to have understanding of different market sessions. When you have a market sessions understanding, be able to know whether you're going to be trading in the London sections or the New York sections and the likes. Okay. So on this channel, we're going to be talking about everything you need to understand with regards to Forex. We talked about what is Forex. So please, if you have not checked, you need to go back to our previous videos about what is Forex. I think we had that video a couple of months ago. And today we're going to be talking about why is Forex so popular. And the subsequent sessions, we're going to be talking about why you should be trading, or why you should learn how to trade. And then we're going to be looking at equally, subsequently, about what are the sessions. Remember when I talk about these sessions, different market sections. So you can be able to know how to position yourself when if you have other businesses you are running. Someone like me now, I have multiple streams of income, by the special grace of God. I have my property business and many and the likes. Okay, and I have to obviously run around all of this. I don't trade every day. Why? Because I have understanding of different market sessions. I don't trade 24 hours of the day because I have to attend to business. I have to attend to other sources of income that I have. Okay, so it's important to have this understanding. So today, guys, we are going to be looking at why is Forex market so popular. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want to implore you this point. Please go and obviously subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and share with your contacts to be able to help as many as we like. Because our goal in this season and in the months and the new year ahead is to help as many as we can to learn how to trade. A lot of people have gone out to spend so much of thousands, but then they came back still wondering about like a lost sheep, right? Why? Because they thought that to learn how to trade just to go and learn how to read the charts. No, you want to have the basic understanding. If you really Forex, you want to be a thing, something that can, earn you revenue, right? Either as a primary or as secondary. You want to have a basic understanding of what you're going to be doing and all the tricks that you need to learn. Because in this course of this session, I'm going to be teaching you all the strategies, what has helped me over the years to be able to obviously build the other side businesses that I have by the special grace of God. All the strategies we're going to be taught here, free of charge. Okay, you pay nothing. So all I just want to is go and subscribe, Michael Martins FX, like our video, and share with your contacts so that YouTube algorithm can pick it obviously and suggest it, and which will motivate us. Okay, in the course of our course, we're definitely going to be we're going to take you to the main terminal where we trade, where you will learn. But before we get that, I want to show you the basics. So today, I'm going to be looking at why is Forex so popular. Now let's deep dive. Let's go into our slides. Okay. All right. So let's share now. Let's go into our next slide. Okay. So why is Forex trading so popular? Okay. Why is Forex trading so popular? So sorry guys, I'm trying to obviously bring out our slide. Why is Forex trading so popular? Now, if you can see my slide, I'm sure you can actually. Now, here we are. There are one thing you must understand, guys. We have 4 major financial markets in the world. We have 4 major financial markets in the world. The first one, we have the Forex market, we have the New York market, obviously stock exchange, and we have Tokyo Stock Exchange, and we have London Stock Exchange. Now, if you have not seen the previous video, guys, what is Forex? You need to go and see, because there, we've been able to explain one thing. You can see, we have the New York Stock Exchange, we have the Tokyo, we have the London. You can see these are stock exchanges, right? Now, the first one, number 1, which is the Forex market, there's no exchange there. You know why? Because it is over the counter. Now, the over the counter Forex market, unlike other financial, obviously, markets that you can see there, is over the market. You know why? Because it does not require the typical traditional exchange market to be able to trade and participate in it. Okay, now what we just need the help of a broker. So the broker is the intermediary between us, for instance, the retailer, and the main hub, which is the main financial market. Okay, so Forex market is called or also called over the counter. Why? Because we participate in the forex market as retailer through the help of the broker. Unlike where we have the New York Stock Exchange, the Tokyo, these are traditional stock exchange. They are financial markets, but the forex market is also referred to as the over-the-counter because the activities within it can equally be participated in through the help of an intermediary that is called a broker. Now, there is a slide in our course where one of our slides where we talked about who or what is a broker. That is why I want to stick to this channel. Everything you need to learn about Forex, we're going to be deep diving and explain everything here. If you really want to learn how to trade and you want to be profitable in it, guys, this is the place to be. You want to learn from the basic up to become a pro. So it's called A to Z Series Pro. Okay? Now, this is it. Why is Forex market so popular? Look at the chart I have. I've taken my time, guys, to be able to draw out and map out this chart for you, for your easy understanding. Look at the chart. Now, you see, the New York Stock Exchange has 22 billion capitalization, the volume of transaction in a New York Stock Exchange. It has daily, we are talking about daily now, $22 billion. The next one, after the New York, we have the Tokyo Stock Exchange, which is $18 billion daily transactions, guys, okay? Daily transactions. Then we have the London Stock Exchange, which is $7.2 billion transaction. Now, the London Stock Exchange, the Forex market is so popular, guys. Why? Because it's the biggest and the largest financial market in the world. Why? Because it has the largest transactions. And what is the volume? We can see a 7.5. Now, there are a number of figures that are obviously literally around because of the difference in times and activities. You see some charts to tell you 6.6, 6.3 or 6 trillion. Some will tell you 7.5 trillion, right? Why? But on the average, we can see that the forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Why? Because it has the largest volume of transactions on a daily basis. Guys, you can now see the forex market has the largest transaction on a daily basis. $7.5 trillion, guys, every day transactions. And you are a retailer. We just need, as retail traders, because you and I, who I believe listening to me or watching this video afterwards at any point in time, we are retailer because we are not the big banks, we are not the hedge funds, because these are participants, these are the big movers in the market, the hedge bank, the hedge funds, right? The multinationals, the big banks, the central banks and the likes. These are the big market movers. So we are literally just taking a pie from what these guys are making or what these guys are trading. So we just go there just to take a pie. I'm just going to the market just to take 10 pips, 50 pips, and the likes. But you know what? Depending on your capital, right, I will determine the outcome of your profit. But you know what? That 10 pips to some people could be $1 million. That 10 pips to some people could be $300. Some people could be 500 pounds, could be 300 pounds, whichever the case may be, depending on where you are trading or your currency, which you are trading with, right? So it doesn't matter the amount of pie, which we call pips. We're going to talk about all that, the meaning of pips, percentage points. So we're going to talk about all of these things. So don't worry if everything seems blurry to you at this point. And that is the essence of this course. So we, as a retailer, we are just learning how do you take a little bit from the chunk. If we have 7.5 trillion over in the market trading every day, $1 trillion every day in the market, because the forex market operates 24 hours. This is why you need to have understanding of all the various sessions that we have in the market, which in due course, we're going to talk about. I think it's the next 2 courses. We're going to talk about all the various sessions so you understand. This can tie into that. So we are just learning how do we take a small pie from the big one that we see out there. That is the volume of transactions that have been taking place in Forex markets. So you are a retailer because we just want to take a small pie from $7.5 trillion that are being traded in Forex market every day. So now we have understanding of why Forex market is so popular. You have understanding of the various four major markets, financial markets in the world. Now you have the reason understanding of a bit of understanding of why you should be trading, guys. But in the next session or next class, or slides rather, we're going to be talking about why you should be trading. So I hope this slides helps you. It gives an insight of why Forex market is so popular. So in the next class, we're going to be talking about more about why you should be trading. And then the next one, talk about the Forex sessions, market sessions, and then and on and on and on until we get to where we're going to be actually taking you to the charts, teach you all the strategies that we now need to use to take the small pie that we need to take in from this market. So so guys, thank you for watching for this. So stick on. We're going to be looking for the next slide. Basically, we're going to be talking about some other interesting topics. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do go and subscribe. Michael Martins FX. Share with your friends and families that want to learn how to trade in this season, in this year, and the new year that's ahead of us. You want to share it with them because we want to give you content that will help you to set it free, financially free. How you can be able to map out well and be able funds to be able to put into different investment opportunities because you need a fund to be able to tap into the investment opportunities. There are loads of opportunities around you guys, but you need funds to be able to do this. Right? Someone is asking me, what about Forex itself? But I need funds. Well, everything you need funds. But the reality here is that if you learn the art of trading, you can actually quickly map out that lump sum that you require and then proceed to set yourself free from there. So thank you very much, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Michael Martins FX. Like and share with your friends and families that want to learn. So until then, say bye. Thank you very much. And God bless you guys. Bye. Bye, guys.